If you ask me the reason for the name Zik, I would tell you that it's unfathomable. One of the only explanations is that Henri Seydoux, Parrot's owner and mad engineer to whom we owe these wonderful inventions, has his own language. I've known Henri Seydoux forever. I know his background, and I guess I know him deeply. So when you reach that kind of complicity with someone, you don't need to talk too much.
It's rare in life to get along with someone simply and immediately. Philippe has a keen sense for intended meaning.
I want to see you again, I need to see you more. I want to see you again, I want to see you more.
Today, the things we create at Parrot are primarily driven by software ideas. Parrot is a company of engineers who have worked for years on spatialization and giving a much more natural ambiance to the music that we listen to with headsets. The headset is virtually one of the hardest things that we have ever imagined, since it is in some ways the most banal.
Despite its simple and humble design, Zik is today certainly one of our most successful products in terms of intuitive ergonomics. The headset is perfectly balanced and almost seems fused, looking like an extension of the human body and all its needs. Thanks to this amazing gesture, it's easy to make it work by touching it lightly, like that.
Something in my eye, don't know.
At Parrot, the only things we are taking care of are principles. This headset is made for working with any music source. It is the friend of the iPhone and also other smartphones. Of your computer if you want to listen to your music via Bluetooth or via a cable if you prefer to use a hi-fi system.
Sound, and consequently music, are just an exploration of one's own world. The more the sound is close to you, the more you'll like the music and feel comfortable. An object like this is a universe. And obviously, the less you have buttons saying, "Oh, I should press here. There's a small wheel with notches helping me to feel good," the more it will be elegant, disembodied, dematerialized, and able to make you efficient and totally happy in your bubble.
The headset has a real outstanding acoustic quality, especially through its ability to focus in on the music you are listening to. The headset's first innovation is that you just need to touch it lightly for controlling the music. The second innovation is the active noise cancellation, achieved by it being designed in the shape of an ear. Behind this ear are microphones, capturing the noise and reducing it, thanks to an electronic system creating anti-noise. Finally, there is a very sophisticated system for detecting jaw movement, following exactly what you are saying and allowing you to phone from any noisy areas.
One day I asked Henri what this headset would add to headset design. He replied that Zik would simply integrate everything that the others have.
Music is like something shuffling childhood memories and adult dreams.
In the end, Zik is an explorer and builder of your own world. Not bad, right?